Hello again, it's Noob, and I have a lovely little padlock here to show you today. This is a Dynalok padlock. It's a tubular lock padlock, which is rare in itself. It's a vintage lock, really lovely shape to it as well, doesn't it? Just beautiful. Tells us it's a hardened body, made by Dynalok, Dynation Corp, Little Falls, New Jersey, USA, I think. And it has a double ball bearing locking mechanism. Now if you look down here, there is a flathead screw which you can undo. I've got a screwdriver here, but I have undone it, and even when you do undo this screw all the way out, I won't do it now, the plug or core does not fall out. Maybe it's, I don't know what this little screw is for at all. It doesn't seem to do anything. It could be that it somehow relieves the pressure on this plug and core and it can come out, but I've not managed to do it. It's got a bit of corrosion around here, so maybe it's stuck in there. I don't know. I've tried to push down on the inside. I can't get it out. So that's a bit of a shame. I was hoping we could gut this, but nevertheless, we can pick it. It only takes a quarter turn, so I think it should only be a double pick to open it. So I might try to do it in hand using a broken pick like this and a tubular lock turning tool. And this one, not a sponsor, but this one's designed by Noob. And that little cutout there, if in case you're interested, is for one of those types of tubular locks which have a anti-drill ball bearing sort of hammered into the top. So let's pop this in like, oh, the other way around, like this. Get some nice tension, and we'll go around the lock and see if we can't pick it. So oh, already pin 7 there, 6, 5, nothing, 4, nothing, 3, little click, I think 2 or 1, background, oh, 7 again, and look, already move forward a position, but we're not open yet. So we just adjust our grip, make sure we're comfortable, get some torque on the lock, and we'll go around again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 binding, nothing on 7. We're just going to keep going round, just tapping on the tops of these pins as we go around. And we're just trying to find anything that's binding and push down on them. Nothing so far apart from pin 6. Oh, just rearrange my grip on the lock. Maybe I haven't got, oh no, that's 5 there. I'm worried I haven't got good enough tension on this, but it appears I have. Oh, 5 all the way down there. 6 or 7. Oh, click on 3, 4 there. Maybe 7 now, yeah. Try that again. Ah, 2. Oh, it feels so close. That's 4. Give it a little click. Two, 3 feels set. That's 4 again. Oh, and I think we got the open. Ah, got it. Haha. Wow. Oh, thumb feels the pain of that, but yeah, good. What a lovely little lock, don't you think? Really, really nice, lovely shape, really vintage shape to it. Absolutely love this little thing. I love tubular locks because they're so sort of rare to find, especially ones like this. And let's have a look at that bitting. So starting at pin 1, sort of a medium cut, 2 medium cut, 3, sort of a high cut. Don't need to push this one down very high, but then look at 4. That's like a 0 cut, isn't it? No cut at all. That pin needs to be pushed all the way down. 5, again, I need to probably touch that a little bit. And 2 medium cuts for 6 and 7. And this is a 2-piece key. I don't know how it's constructed, bent in, press fit, I don't know, but clearly the 2 different materials. Looks like a brass tubular key and some kind of mixed metal steel maybe handle on this, which is yeah, kind of nice, don't you think? Or key bow. Is it a key bow if it's a tubular lock? I don't know. Anyway, lovely lock. If you like this video, please give this a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. If you think I deserve it, it really does help my channel out. If you have any comments about this lock and know anything about it, want to share that information, please put it down below. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.